Hoy!
Hello.
Hi!
Hala. Yan ba yung timba? Timba.
Ano timba?
Yung stabilizer.
Hindi ko alam. Ano yun? GoPro. Magsalita ko. Hello. Ayoko magsalita. Ang pakit boses ko eh. Yeah. Nalagyan siguro si Kaya sa
Bakit siguro?
Hey. Hey. Say hi.
yung pala, nila ako sa bahay. Mamaya nagdala.
Balik kaya ako. 3 p.m. Balik kaya ako dito para hindi makauwi agad. Babalik na lang ako. Siguro mga isang oras lang naman malapit na ako. Kay tatay, hindi ko alam. Basta sa akin, dahil
Sa kanya.
Miss Michael, si...
Can we go buggy riding now? Buggy riding! Yes!
Nakakita nung ano, nakakita yung
Stab.
badge, yung...
Video.
Ito, oh. Oh.
Nasa bed eh.
Yung pinakalan sa ano, sisig yun eh. Chicken, may parating na chicken.
ka dito, then sit down beside Lenny. Kailangan picture. You face this way.
Sila sama kayo
Tingin
ni
ka naman
Nana.
sa kanya. Sana po yung mga bata. Sige po, upo ka lang dito. Oh, then put your hands on her.
Kaya picture. Kaya niya.
The camera.
Axel.
Oh, tapos hawa kami yung bird.
Ayan, dali.
Oh,
Kaya.
Oh, try.
Hold it up lang.
Ay, gusto mo ng bird?
Holy crap.
Just look at the camera. Look here.
Smile.
Wow.
Head.
Oh. Because you have, you turn your hands at the side.
Smile.
Turn it on the side.
Side.
Pwede niya ka.
You want to, hold it. Come here, Ate Anya. Ikaw naman. Dali. Ay, come here, Ate Anya.
Kala mo.
I was.
Nahihirapan na yata yung third one. Dito, dito. Dito.
Axel. Axel, gusto mo ganun? Gaganon mo lang. Ha? Ikaw.
Ria, sorry. Axel.
Oh, halika dito.
Si Kuya daw, ano?
Ganito. Open your book.
Ikaw, kuya.
Yes. Ganun mo lang.
O, kayo naman, kayo.
Ganito, baba muna natin si Lenny.
Ba?
Kayo naman.
Ikaw, May, gusto mo?
The bird. Oh. Can't cut or anything. Dito na lang po. Drop dito. Oh, we can put it on your shoulders like this, oh. Hindi masakit. Oh, just stand up here. There's the green one.
Kuya, oh.
Ay, baka malagyan.
Hold your head up. Hand gesture ko. Up ka, dalawa.
Dito, hindi. Tingin
Sa
ka.
gumalaw.
Yung Axel.
Humarap ka dun sa bird. Look at the bird. Kiss ka lang yan.
Your
Hindi
eyes,
nanonood.
Baka
Hindi po nanunuka. Kiss lang yun. Oh, you don't move anymore.
ka pupunta.
Galaw ka lang. Relax ka lang.
Ang cute.
Your turn. Harap ka doon. Ito ulit sila. Call her. Say, Lenny.
Hindi pa kaya. May polo. Kalis na kayo.
Magtolo sila. Manitog dalawang bird.
O yung bag mo.
Ay, ahas ka na pala. Ba't natatakot ka? Picture, oo nga eh.
Ate, seryo.
Hello. Can you put me? I like Pacquiao. He's a good girl.
Relax ka lang. Oh, you like Lenny once on her?
Snake.
Oh, pause. Pause.
Hindi naman sila mali. Pero, ayun yan. Marami pa rin pa.
Oh, dear, excuse me, dear.
I want you to look. Look at this grip. It's hard.
Smile. One more. Come on.
How she snakes.
1, 2, 3.
What? What's that?
The ball python.
What? He's so cute.
And they are nice. They don't bite. Not dangerous.
Happy birthday.
No, they are pythons, so they are constrictors. They squeeze the prey to death, then they swallow it.
But we're big.
No, they don't grow big.
Yeah, they're cute.
Oh, wait.
Ano po kayo
Gulay po sa umaga, gulay and fruit, sa hapon seeds.
What does they eat?
Kahit anong gulay?
Opo,
They eat
tarin mo lang ng pino.
Give them meat.
Kasi pag kunyari, binigyan mo siya isang buong talong, kakagatan lang niya, wala na. So pag tinagtad mo, pinaghalo-halo mo yung fruits and gulay, mas kakainin po.
Cute.
Anya, snake. Anya, you want to follow picture with the birds?
I want to touch a snake.
Kung ano pa naman yung maganda itsura, yung
They
pinaka
don't bite. They don't bite.
sabi.
They don't bite. They just squeeze the plate to them and swallow.
Pwede mo
Don't bite.
Listen siya.
They just did it.
Ano pong
Python po, African to. Kung nakikita niyo sa TikTok, si Inka Magnayes, si Yaki Pressman. Ayan po, kaya tinawag silang ball python.
Parang
Hindi
pwede
sila
pang
mag-curl
pet
up
siya,
na
no?
dito. Opo, common siya ngayon sa pet trade. You touch it first.
Kaya ano? Kaya?
Tapos this side, parang illegal bag lang ni Ma. Oo nga, diba? Wala silang smell. They don't smell.
Flowing water. Which doesn't
Oh, you
have a
touch it.
smell.
Oh, so don't be scared.
I'm not scared of him.
Open mo lang yung boat na Tapos, I'll just put
How
you on
about
top.
how about a jug?
Parang ano siya,
Don't do anything sa'yo. It won't bite.
I'm scared. Daddy, I'm scared. But if it's
Anya,
That
look
one
at
is
me,
dog.
Anya.
This is dang.
here's his tongue
Oh,
out.
dali, ibaba ka dito. The tongue comes out kasi ibig sabihin, that's how they smell.
Oh yeah, so I know that.
So if you hold her, him, just keep it supported. Hold the head and hold it with the tail. Come on, both hands. Hold the tail and hold the head. Show it to the camera. Dito yung kamay mo. Dito, near the head. Oh, then show it to the camera. Hold it. No, it's just very small. Oh, ikaw ang magko-control sa kanya. Ikaw kung paano mo siya ihaharap sa camera. Oh, gumalaw ka. Hindi ka gumalaw. Oh, hindi naman scary, di ba?
tapang ni Kaniyo.
Blue eye.
You hold the other one. Just don't drop it. Hold it well. No. Ganito. Yeah. It's not that bad. It's not scary.
I want to
Kuya Yuri, you want to
The eyes are terrifying.
Support mo lang siya.
The eyes are terrifying. No, they have cute baby eyes. Cute. Look at the other one. Look at the
Then,
other
we'll put this around your neck.
Yuri, alaga.
Oh! Dali.
Talagang tapang, oh.
Kano kaya yun?
Si Deng po, ang huling appraisal sa kanya last February is 55. Ito po, mas mura ng maybe half.
Yeah, they don't bite. They don't bite. They just squeeze their prey to the
It won't squeeze you because you're not afraid. Oh, then you wait lang. You hold the other one. Bitawan mo muna. Yan yung towel sa kanya. Support mo lang yung head niya. Yes.
May license yata yun.
Yes po. Pero pagka yung binilhan mo, legit naman, meron siyang rehistro, ito transfer mo lang po sa'yo.
Tapang niyo, ah.
Then, hindi ka na naman gumalaw. Hold it lang. Just don't drop it, baby, okay? It's okay. It won't do anything sa'yo. Harap natin sa langit. Wow. I'll take out the one on your neck. Oh, you wanna try that?
Takot.
No, it's not takot. Wait lang po.
Stars. My new stars.
Oh, show it to the camera. Show it
Show
to
them
the
my new
camera.
stars. Show them my stars.
Oh, you want to try that also? Ayun. Wow. Oh, look at the camera. Kasi yung reactions natin, doon naman nakukuha ng mga bata yung takot eh.
Wow, galing.
They're cute.
So naturally, even yung wild, na specimen, sabi nga ng mga staff kong taga Kenya at saka Nigeria, madali siyang kunin. We just bring sticks, we go to the bush, we take the snake. Kasi nga, ano sila, docile sila.
Oh, cute. Did you know all reptiles have scales?
It's not really scale, but it's a scale-like scale. Hold both.
Do you know?
Oh, look at the camera. Again, why does the tongue come out like that? Because that's how they smell. Kung tayo, in-inhale lang natin yung hangin, then we know what's around us. Sila, they literally taste the air.
Yo, yeah. What does air taste like?
I don't know.
Tastes like air. Tastes like wind.
Nawa mo na ba boat?
Look.
When he moves around like that, he's just trying to get a better grip.
Oh yeah.
Kita mo pag chill ka na, relax ka na, alam niya hindi siya mahuhulog, hindi na rin po gagalaw. O, yung hold it
This one
niya.
has sharp eyes.
The
That's
difference.
what I'm saying.
Yung isa, marble eye ang tawag.
Or boba eyes. Yeah, because
Sino
this
pong gusto mag-try? Ikaw.
boba.
Support mo lang ma'am na huwag mahuhulog.
Ikaw, te.
Baka maka.
Yung ano mo.
Support mo lang siya.
You can carry
Share na lang sa girl spot mo.
Hindi tayo kasi sa background natin.
Mommy, did you know that all reptiles have scales? Like Komodo dragon. Are you afraid of a python? I'll show you a
Gusto mo
python.
rin sa leeg na? Baka lang. Isahin mo na. Yun na
I'm scared
yung
of a
legs
giant
nito
snake.
Kaya,
I like the one with boba eyes. Because they're more cute.
ito, si Ted.
One looks like a cat. One touch is
So, ito na po yung adult size nila. Hindi na sila lalaki. Yung
like
females,
girls. Like
mga
girls.
females kapraso. Pero hindi rin po mahaba. Hindi kagaya ng dalawang nandun, si Gigi po ay 12 feet. 12 feet, 46
What
kilos.
does baby
Hindi ko nakita yun.
Ah,
Ate lang, alis na kami.
Alis na. Look at that. Oh, it's too big.
balik na kami. Sasampay mo lang din yan.